Well, it's the end of another month. You know what that means. Drawings of November. Good day everyone. Welcome to this channel. My name is Sai Siddharth. In this channel, I'll be doing drawing tutorials and videos based on art. So yeah, it's the end of another month. So I'll be showing the drawings that I did in the month of November. Starting off, I drew Star-Lord from Infinity War. Overall, this was pretty easy to do, but the most toughest part was the guns and the mask. There's just like a lot of details packed in the mask. And the guns, let me tell you why that was difficult. It might seem pretty simple to do, but to draw it on that three-dimensional sort of plane with the hand was difficult to do. Also, this one was pretty easy because it's more on a two-dimensional plane. So overall, yeah, pretty easy. I really like the way this has turned out. Right, so I got really bored of drawing Marvel characters, so I switched it up a little bit. I drew Silver Sonic or Silver the Hedgehog, I don't know. Anyways, I drew Silver Sonic or Silver the Hedgehog, whichever you prefer. And this one, actually, it surprised me that this one, being as simple as it is, took the longest time. So I shaded this with color pencils, and actually you wouldn't believe this, but actually here in this little part of that white, greenish white area, that's actually blue, green and yellow with white. So that's a lot of colors going in there. And also I really like the way the gloves have turned out, the way the plain space of the canvas has been used, that I used it. So I really like the way that has turned out. So overall, yep, I like it. And you can't have a video of the drawings without an oil pastel drawing. So here's the oil pastel drawing. So this one, it's been a long time since I've done an oil pastel drawing. Pretty long, 1 month or so. So I decided to do one. Here it is. So it's a boat on the horizon. It's not exactly the horizon, it's somewhat like that. So the reflection, I really like the reflection part that I've done here, and also the shadow casting from this. I think that's the thing that makes this drawing stand out for me. So pretty simple again. So the next one, this one is my all-time favorite drawing. It's Batman, sort of in the comic book style. This one took a lot of time. It almost took an entire day to do. Well, I wasn't working the entire day, 24 hours, but you get it, right? So it took quite some time to do, especially the shading part. First I thought of using a pen, but I didn't have like a really thick pen, so it was just a waste of ink to cover this entire part. So I just went on with the pencils. So starting from the face, I think the disappointing part in this drawing is the face. I think I didn't capture Batman that much. So the gun, I think I did a pretty good job on that. And I really like the way these edges, these boundary lines, the margins look, and then it's just sort of coming out of the picture. It sort of makes that illusion, but the cape is still inside, so that was pretty cool illusion. So there you go. That's all the drawings that I did. There you go. Overall, this is my favorite. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and also to share this video because it means a huge deal to me. So by the way, if you wanted to subscribe, click right here. If you want to see my previous video, click right here. If you want to see my most recent video, click right here. Thank you for watching. Bye.